RYOBI blade replacement guide for 42-inch and 46-inch riding lawn tractors. Tools needed are a 15mm socket wrench, torque wrench, double-sided 12mm wrench, double-sided 13 and 14mm wrench, and a block of wood. Step 1. Removing the cutting deck. Move the mower to a level surface and ensure the blade and gauge knob is down. Remove the start key and set the parking brake. Move the deck height adjustment lever to the deck release position. Disconnect the two power cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Pull the deck release handle out and rotate toward the back of the mower. Repeat on the opposite side of the mower. Lift the deck and slide forward to detach the deck clip from the J-hook. Slide the deck out from under the mower. Reverse the process to reattach the cutting deck to the mower. Step 2. Installing the crosscut blades. Wedge a block of wood between the blades and the mower deck to prevent the blades from turning. Loosen the blade nut by turning it counterclockwise using the 15mm socket wrench. Remove the blade nut, spring washer, and blade. Place the new blade on the shaft against the corresponding blade posts. Ensure the blade is properly seated with the shaft going through the center blade hole and the two blade posts are inserted into their respective holes on the blade. Ensure the blade is installed with the curved ends pointing up toward the mower deck and not toward the ground. The straight sides should be aligned and the blade should be flat against the blade posts. Replace the spring washer, then thread the blade nut on the shaft and finger tighten. Torque the blade nut down clockwise using a torque wrench to ensure the bolt is properly tightened. Need additional help? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579